Now I am going to make an amplifier. This is transformer 24 volt voltage. This one transformer 24 voltage, and this one is the diode. Make AC to DC. This is the capacitor. Two capacitor are here. Next to DC, this one the another one transformer for the fan and the baseboard and others anything. This one the DC 12 voltage. DC 12 voltage. Now I am going to use this STK amplifier 41922. This one 41922 amplifier circuit. If you want this circuit diagram, you can visit our website, and you also can check the I button. This one is the speaker output. This one is the another speaker output. Two speaker output are here. This is the audio input. Left and right input are here. Left and right input are here. Look, this input goes. This input come here and goes to that leg, and this is input come here and goes to like this that corner leg. This corner leg. These two are audio input. Now here these two are audio output. This one output, and this one another output. Two output, left and right output. Now this is the voltage. First one is the ground. This one is the ground voltage. This one is the ground voltage, and this one is the positive voltage. This one positive voltage. This one positive voltage. This one positive voltage, and this one is the negative voltage. This one negative voltage. This is the negative voltage. This is negative voltage. Now I am going to connection the wire. Now I am going to connect the wire, the voltage wire. This is the fan. I will switch on. Now let's go to check first the voltage. I am going to check the voltage first. How many voltage has? I am checking the voltage. The DC voltage. The DC voltage is middle one is the ground. Negative is 36 negative voltage, and positive is 36. This one is the 36 DC voltage. 36. Now let's go to connection the wire. Must discharge the voltage before connection. Must discharge the voltage before connection. Discharging like this way. So here need to solder. I am soldering the ground voltage. This is the ground voltage. Soldering the ground voltage. Now soldering the wire and soldering the wire to the ground. This is the ground voltage. This is the ground voltage. The ground voltage will come. The ground voltage will come to the body ground. The whole place are ground. Now second number is the positive voltage. This is the negative. First from the upper. A connection ready the ground. Now this is the negative voltage. I am connecting the negative voltage. This is the negative voltage. This is the negative voltage. The negative voltage this is the negative voltage. Negative voltage wire. Now need to connect the positive voltage. This is the positive voltage wire. This is the positive connection. This is positive connection. Need to connect the positive wire, positive voltage wire. I am connecting the positive wire. This is the positive voltage. This is the positive voltage. The voltage connection ready. Now I am going to connect the audio output wire. This is the audio output, left and right speaker. The two black one for the ground voltage, two black wire. These two are for the ground. I am taking this two wire to connect the ground voltage from the direct from the capacitor. I am connecting the ground voltage for the speaker output. Both wire will goes to ground voltage. Need to cut the wire. I am connecting the wire. No need the long wire. Now I am soldering the wire. I am soldering the wire. These two wire will goes to the ground voltage, direct ground voltage. These two wire for the two speaker output. Two wire for the two speaker output. Ground voltage connection ready. Now I am going to connect the audio output wire to audio output. This two red wire for left and right audio output. Left and right audio output. Here I have two output. Need to cut the wire. No need the long wire. I am cutting the wire. Need to solder the wire first before connection. This one is the root 1 and 2. So this one is the right speaker output, and this one is the left speaker output. The speaker output connection ready. Now need to connect the audio input. This one is the audio input line. I am connecting left and right. Both audio input are here. Left speaker and right speaker audio are input here. I am connecting the input wire. Now this is the now need to connect the ground. This is the ground for the audio input. So our amplifier connection ready. Amplifier connection ready. Now need to connect the this one the audio input left and right. Now need to connect the bass tone circuit, the pre-amplifier. Now I am going to connect the pre-amplifier to this audio input. This is the output. This is the pre-amplifier bass tone circuit. Pre-amplifier bass tone circuit. The voltage we have to use the 12 voltage here, and this is the input. Audio input are here. Left and right input will be here, and the output from here. Now let's connect the wire. Audio input output will be here, and voltage will be there middle. Now I am going to fix this circuit to the amplifier body. Now I am going to connect this input here, and from the audio Bluetooth audio output will be here. From the Bluetooth card, the audio will come here, and this is the 12 voltage. I am connecting this 12 voltage will come here. The ground is the negative, and the positive will be here. Fixed ready. Now I am going to connection the wire. This is the 12 voltage. I am going to use the 12 voltage here. The negative voltage connect with the negative. Here the negative and ground are same. Negative and ground will be the same. This is the positive wire. This is positive wire. Now I connect the 12 voltage here. Now let's go to connect the audio output. The bass tone output and amplifier input will be together. Bass tone output and amplifier input will be together. Whereas the body is the ground or negative, and white and blue left and right speaker. White and blue left and right speaker. This will be the negative. Now I am soldering the wire. The ground. This one is the left speaker or right speaker. I don't know. The white one. These two white and blue are the left and right. And this is the ground or negative. This is the negative connection. Negative connection is here, and the left speaker output from the base tone circuit and amplifier input wire and right speaker line. Now connection ready. Now I'm going to check the audio grid. I'm going to check the audio grid. This is the audio input. Later I will change the Bluetooth circuit. This circuit is spoiled ready. Need to change the circuit, and I am going to check the audio output. This is the speaker. I am using this speaker for everywhere for the check. Okay. Now I'm going to check switch on. I switch on this amplifier, and this is speaker. This is the input, audio input. Look, working. Need to increase the volume. Need to increase the volume. Okay, look, the audio input are working. Audio input are working. No volume. I'll keep little bit. Working. More little bit. Also working. The more also working. That means all section are working well. Now I am going to now I need to change the Bluetooth card. Now I switch off the RAM. Now I am going to change the Bluetooth circuit. This is the 100 and 100 200 watts amplifier. 200 watts amplifier circuit. This STK. And changing the Bluetooth circuit. This circuit is only audio circuit. Now I am going to use audio with Bluetooth also. Bluetooth. This is the Bluetooth circuit. Here, this is the two wire is the 5 voltage. This is the 5 voltage wire. This red wire no need. Red wire for the audio radio antenna. This red wire no need to connect anywhere. This is the screw. I am fixing this Bluetooth card using the nut bolt. Now I am cutting the red wire because I don't need the radio. FM radio no need. The middle is the ground and left and right wire for left and right speaker. This is the audio output from the audio Bluetooth circuit. It will go to the base tone circuit input. The Bluetooth output will go to base tone circuit input. Now soldering. The middle one is the ground and left side for left speaker, right side for the right speaker. This is the audio input left speaker. This is left speaker and middle is the ground and this is the right speaker, right audio input. Audio input connection ready. Now this is the voltage wire. Now I am going to use this. This is also one called IC 7805. It's making the 5 voltage input at 12. Middle is the ground and this is the 12 volt input and output will be 5 voltage. First one for the input voltage and last one for the output voltage, middle is the negative voltage. I'm using 12 voltage the audio to the input, middle will be the negative voltage and first one will be the input 12 voltage, and last one will output 5 voltage. Third legs for the output 5 voltage. This is a voltage regulator IC 7805. Middle is the negative voltage, first one is the positive voltage, this is here. The negative voltage will goes to the direct negative and 5 voltage will connect with the 5 voltage leg, the last one leg. Now this is the negative voltage, this is the positive 5 voltage, this is the positive 5 voltage. I am connecting positive 5 voltage and this is the negative voltage, this is the negative voltage. The connection ready. I am using this IC with the body because the IC will be little bit hot. For this case it heats in, so I am using this full body as a heat sink. Now need to test check. Now I am going to check using the big box. Look, the Bluetooth is working now. This is aux, this is Bluetooth line, this is Bluetooth line. So thanks for watching. I connect the Bluetooth and play the song. I cannot play the song for the YouTube copyright issue. Thanks for watching the video.